Hello students, in today's practical we'll perform another homology modeling of protein using Swiss model server. So earlier we have used Zeno 3D server for constructing 3D structure of a protein sequence. So in this practical we'll use Swiss model server. So for this we first have to go to Swiss model homepage. This Swiss model is a fully automated protein structure homology modeling server which is accessible via Express web server, that is Express Protein Analysis System, or from the program dev viewer, that is Swiss PDB viewer. The purpose of this server is to make protein modeling accessible to all life science researchers worldwide. Swiss model is a web-based integrated service dedicated to protein structure homology modeling. It guides the user in building protein homology models at different levels of complexity. So when we go to the Swiss model homepage, we will see this workplace here. So the Swiss model workplace is a personal web-based working environment where several modeling projects can be carried out in parallel. Means you can model lots of protein at the same time. Protein sequence and structure databases are necessary for modeling, and they are accessible from the workplace and are updated in regular intervals. Tools for template selection, model building, and structure quality evaluation can be evoked from within the workspace directly or via the web page menu. So in the earlier modeling of protein, you have used Zeno 3D server, where you had the option of selecting the templates, but in case of Swiss model workspace, you have the option of directly building the model. So in the next slide you will see this particular option. So when you started modeling your protein through Swiss model server, your Swiss model workspace will show this page where you have two options. The first option is search for templates and the second option is build model. Before selecting search for templates or build model, you first have to input your sequence in the box marked in red color. So how they work in this particular Swiss model workspace. So building a homology model in Swiss model comprises four main steps. First, identification of structural templates. Second, alignment of target sequence and template structure. So this particular alignment of target sequence and template structure you can do by yourself also, or you can have an option of doing directly by the software itself. Thirdly, model building, and in the fourth step, model quality evaluation. These steps require specialized software and integrated up-to-date protein sequence and structure database. Each of the above steps can be repeated interactively until a satisfying modeling result is achieved. So if you are not satisfied with your model, you can do it for many times. So I told you that in this particular software you have two options. You can go for search for templates, or you can directly build a model. Here we will do with the second option. We'll directly build the model. We'll just input the sequence and we'll directly click on the build model option, and we will see the models in the next step. So after clicking the build model option, the Swiss model server is giving this particular structure for the query sequence. If you are not satisfied with this particular structure, you can repeat the same steps again to get a satisfying structure. If you want to know more about Swiss model web server, you can go with the links and the research paper links given here. Practice it. Thank you.